Welcome to Review Source. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best long-handled weed pullers, ranked by design, reliability, and performance. Whether you're battling dandelions in a lawn, pulling thistles from a flower bed, or keeping crabgrass out of your vegetable garden, these stand-up weeders will help you remove plants by the roots while saving your back and knees. Links to all the products featured are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Fiskars 33995 4-Claw Long-Handled Weed Puller. The first slot goes to a well-known favorite, Fiskars 4-Claw Long-Handled Weed Puller. Fiskars invented one of the earliest stand-up weeders, and their latest version builds on decades of feedback. The tool uses 4 serrated stainless steel claws that surround the stem and dig deep into the soil. A quick twist and pull, and the entire root system comes out. Unlike most weeders with 3 tines, the extra claw offers better stability and reduces the chance of breaking off roots. A reinforced foot platform lets you drive the claws into hard ground with your body weight. Comfort is a priority. The long 39-inch shaft keeps you upright, avoiding back and knee strain, and the offset handle reduces wrist torque when you tilt the tool to pull the weed out. A lightweight aluminum shaft and a compact, easy eject mechanism make it simple to clear the weed from the claws without bending over. Because the claws and foot plate are stainless steel, this weeder resists rust and holds up to rocky soil. Buyers report it works well on dandelions, thistles, and even small saplings. The only drawback is that sandy soils can sometimes slip through the claws, but with proper placement, it's remarkably effective. With a lifetime warranty, the Fiskars remains the gold standard for stand-up weeders and is especially suited for gardeners who want durability and ergonomic design.
Number 2. The Walensee Stainless Steel Long-Handled Weed Puller. Our second tick is the Walensee Stand-Up Weed Puller, a sturdy tool that emphasizes simplicity and strength. The Walensee features a long handle, about 39 inches, that allows you to remove weeds while standing upright. Its construction uses durable, stainless, high-strength steel, giving the claws and shaft rigidity so they won't bend under pressure. This design helps you maintain leverage when tackling stubborn weeds, and the long handle means no more stooping or kneeling. At the business end, the Walensee uses 3 or 5 sharp prongs, depending on the model, that penetrate the soil and grab the weed and root. A sturdy foot pedal lets you press the tool into the ground with your weight. After rocking the handle back, the weed comes out intact. To eject the weed, you slide a spring-loaded release that pushes the clump off the tines, keeping your hands clean. Because it's stainless steel, it resists rust and is suitable for wet gardens. Walensee markets this as a chemical-free way to control dandelions, crabgrass, and other lawn invaders. It's lighter than some competing steel models, and users appreciate the comfortable grip. Although it lacks the extra viewing window and serrated edges of the Fiskars, its straightforward design and durable materials make it a good value for homeowners who want a dependable, no-bending weed puller.
Number 3. Stand-Up Steel Weeder. Ames 2917300 is in the 3rd spot for the Ames 2917300 Stand-Up Steel Weeder, a tool that straddles the line between classic weed pullers and modern innovations. This model is built almost entirely from steel. The blade, shaft, and handle are all steel, giving the weeder durability and weight to penetrate compacted soils. At nearly 40 inches long, it allows you to remove weeds without bending or kneeling. The Ames weeder is a broad foot platform that doubles as an aerating spike. When you press down, it drives the claws into the soil and also loosens surrounding earth. Because the tool pulls weeds by their roots, it minimizes regrowth and reduces the need for herbicides. The company knows that it also aerates the soil while removing weeds, a bonus for lawns and compacted flower beds. A 15-year limited warranty underscores its durability. While the steel construction adds some weight, most users find it manageable thanks to the long handle and wide grip.
One potential drawback is that the claw spacing is fixed, so it may not grip very small seedlings. Still, the Ames 291-7300 is a solid choice for gardeners who want a no-frills, steel-constructed weeder with an innovative ejection mechanism.
Number 4. Grampa's Weeder CW01 Original Stand-Up Weed Puller. For the 4th spot, we're going back in time. Grampa's Weeder is a classic stand-up weed puller that has been in production for over a century. It features a heavy-duty steel head with 2 narrow blades and a foot pedal that you step on to plunge the blades into the soil. Once the blades straddle the weed, you tilt the bamboo handle to the side, and the weed pops out with its roots intact. This combination gives it a charming vintage appearance and ensures the tool will last for years. Testers note that it provides excellent leverage and pulls out weeds cleanly in moist soil. Because the 2 prongs are close together, it may not hold very large clumps of roots, but it excels at removing dandelions and other tap-rooted weeds. Grampa's Weeder doesn't include an eject button. Instead, you simply knock the weed off manually. Some users see this as a minor inconvenience, but others appreciate the simplicity and fewer moving parts to break. If you like traditional gardening tools that do one job well and last a lifetime, Grampa's Weeder is a timeless addition to your shed.
Number 5. Yard Butler Dandelion and Crabgrass Extractor Rocket Weeder. Rounding out our list is the Yard Butler Rocket Weeder, also sold as a dandelion and crabgrass extractor. This tool focuses on ergonomics and ease of use. It features stainless steel extractor forks with serrated edges that penetrate the soil and grip the weed and roots. A foot pedal provides leverage to pry the plant from the ground. The long handle maximizes leverage and is helpful for gardeners with limited mobility. Users love how quickly the ejector button clears the forks, making weeding sessions efficient. One limitation is that the serrated fork arrangement can sometimes leave a larger hole than claw-style weeders, but this is easily filled with soil. Overall, the Yard Butler Rocket Weeder combines ergonomic design and robust construction, offering gardeners a clean, chemical-free way to tackle weeds. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best long-handled weed pullers, from the precision and 4-claw power of Fiskars stand-up weed puller to the simple strength of Walensee's stainless steel weeder, the clever ejection slide on the Ames stand-up steel weeder, the vintage charm of Grampa's Weeder, and the ergonomic design of the Yard Butler Rocket Weeder. There's a tool for every gardener and every weed. Choosing the right weed puller depends on your priorities. If you want maximum control and an easy release mechanism, the Fiskars and Ames models shine. For gardeners seeking a budget-friendly but robust tool, the Walensee delivers dependable performance with stainless steel construction. Those who appreciate classic simplicity and sustainable materials will love Grampa's Weeder and its bamboo handle. And if you need a quick hands-free solution with a lifetime guarantee, the Yard Butler's Rocket Weeder's foot pedal and ejector button make it a standout. A good long-handled weed puller not only reduces strain on your back and knees, but also helps you eliminate weeds without resorting to herbicides, keeping your yard healthy and chemical-free. As always, the best tool is the one that fits your garden and your style. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gear reviews. Let me know in the comments which weed puller you trust most in your garden. Thanks for watching, and happy weeding out there.